Hey Ford truck owners, have your power door locks suddenly stopped working? If you drive a 2019 or 2020 F-150 or Super Duty, listen up. This is a super common issue and I'll break it down for you fast. So, Ford's official notice, Technical Service Bulletin 22-2394, basically says if your power door lock actuator fails, that's a known problem. It usually shows up as one or more doors not locking or unlocking, and it's especially common when it gets cold outside. And no, this isn't a recall. So Ford dealers aren't required to call you. But if your truck is under warranty or a repair program, you can get it fixed for free. Here's what the fix looks like. First, the dealer will diagnose to confirm the actuator's the problem. Then, they'll swap it out for a new part. Right side is part number 6L2Z78218A42B. Left side is 6L2Z78218A43B. And if you've got a 2020 Super Duty, they'll reprogram your body control module too. The whole job usually takes between 1 to 2.5 hours, depending on which door. Now, if you're out of warranty or like working on your truck, tons of owners have done the fix themselves. It's not the easiest DIY, tight spaces, gotta handle the window track, torque screws, but with patience and some solid forum guides, it's doable. Just make sure to disconnect your battery before you get started. Online, Ford truck owners have shared a ton about this issue. The most common complaints are doors that won't unlock in the cold, or actuators that work intermittently. Some folks mention hearing a faint clicking sound but no movement, while others say the locks just stop responding altogether. On forums, owners recommend checking the wiring and fuses first, and many suggest buying OEM actuators for the best results. There are even step-by-step guides and videos from people who've tackled the repair themselves. Some say it's tricky, but totally doable with patience. A few have shared stories of fixing all 4 doors in a weekend, and others warned to watch out for sharp edges inside the door panel. If you're stuck, the online community is a great place for tips and support. Bottom line, if your locks are acting up, it's a known issue and there's a fix. Check your warranty, grab the right part, and you'll be back in business. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've got questions or want to share your own lock fix story. Thanks for watching, and keep those trucks rolling.